Okay, we're back after 2-year hiatus to Myoken Ishiharaso, the pride of Kagoshima, in Kirishima. And last time we stayed at the Kirara Suite, which was very, very nice and modern. This is now the top suite. It was back then and it is now called Rurimurasaki. And so we're just checking in. We have 2 rooms, so I'll show you the other room, which we didn't stay in last time either. Anyways, this is in Kagoshima Prefecture in the southern island of Kyushu. And I'm discovering this room at the same time you are. So there's a hallway to the left. We'll find out what's over there. And a hallway to the right. Very stylish Japanese modern. And so this is the washitsu, or the Japanese room, with the tatami floors. Extremely stylish and elegant. And this is in Myoken Onsen area. And there's a river. And across the way is also another Ryokan that's quite renowned as well. One of the interesting features of the river here is that it does have hot springs bubbling around it. So the Myoken Ishiharaso has many, many baths, not only in the room, but in either communal baths, or you can rent baths by the hour. So you come around here. Here's a bedroom. So if you like the stylish Japanese aesthetic, unmistakably simple modern Japan, but not too traditional, or you've already tried it and you want to try something else, this could be a place that I would recommend for you. Anyway, so come back out. Let's see what's over here. What is in here? Okay, it looks like this is probably the secondary bathroom. So this is Rurimurasaki, the top room in the Ryokan. 120 square meters. With obviously a onsen bath that is free-flowing, straight from the source and never recirculated. So we'll go back down this hallway. So let's see over here. I just we'll go in this way. Hey, Clement. どうやってここに入るの？ここから？ Oh. Ah, okay.
Press the button.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. So, this is a really cool, look at that, lounge area with a half open air onsen.
The hot spring is not full right now.
The hot spring, yeah, you're just filling it up?
It will
Yep.
be full in 20 minutes.
So what is this for, Clement? This is,
To relax.
yeah? Is it,
After you get
is it like a heated stone thing, or just a,
It's regular.
you just chill out after you get out of the shower? And what is the name of this ryokan? I forget.
Gajoen.
It's just called Gajoen.
That's right.
Yes,
I think
okay.
the full name is Wasure no Sato no Gajoen.
Yes, that's right. Wasure no Sato Gajoen. So that's what it is. Anyways, let me go back and take a look at this. This is really cool. Huge. Man, you can have a party in here.
Yeah, that's right. It used to be 2 rooms put together.
Oh, it was. Okay, so there you have it. It used to be 2 rooms. Look at that. That's pretty killer. And then I guess from here you can go in to... Oh, so going the back way, this is the shower. And then dual wash basin. Okay, this is where the towels are. There must be a closet somewhere here. Anyway, so I think that's, oh, here's the closet right here. A lot of space. Clement, where is the minibar? Oh, over here?
Oh, there's two. There's one over
Two,
here.
two?
One in this room, one in the bedroom.
So everything but the alcohol is,
Everything is free.
even the beer?
That's right.
Okay, well, they're not going to be there for much longer. Okay, so this is one mini bar. And then where's the other one?
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom. Okay, here's the TV here. Okay. And in here. Oh, nice. Aha. Okay. And so the Clement, the
Yes.
onsen here,
Yeah.
like some of the water that's flowing down these rocks,
Yep.
are they onsen? They're just of different temperature, right? They're not necessarily super hot or whatever. It just depends on where it comes from. Is
That's
that
right. What you see there coming down and flowing down from the edges
Yeah.
is basically the hot spring
Uh-huh.
that's overflowing from the Gajo and
Uh-huh.
Ryokan over there. So
Yeah.
it's basically 40 degrees roughly.
I
It's
see.
not that hot.
I see.
It's just the right temperature for you to go in.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I see.
But what you see, for example, down there, there's a small spot that is
Yeah.
browner.
Yes.
That would be one of the sources that's
Mm.
gushing out from the ground, but hasn't been exploited yet.
Haha.
We have 7 sources of hot spring in this premise.
And because there's no need for more.
There's always
Yeah, well,
you can always do more.
So the bath in Rurimurasaki here, I noticed it's kind of reddish brown.
That's right.
Is that what it is?
That is correct.
Is that the one that Ishiharaso uses for all its rooms, or?
Well, actually, here and the room next door
Uh-huh.
are using the closest hot spring source that we have in the premise. We're about 40 meters, roughly 40 meters
Wow.
away from the source.
Uh-huh.
It's right down from under the room.
Uh-huh.
And the main feature about hot spring, there are 2 features.
Uh-huh.
Is iron.
Uh-huh.
There's not a lot of sulfur, but the iron will make it very reddish
Yeah.
and will help you with your blood circulation.
Yeah.
That's what will help your muscle relax
I
very
see.
easily and keep you warm for a long time. The second feature is the fizz. It's carbonated hot spring.
It is.
So the fizz will help fixate all the nutrients to your skin and get absorbed over a long period of time.
Is that right?
That's right.
Is that a common trait of all the onsen in all the rooms here, or is these two in Rurimurasaki and the room next door in particular?
Well, in the whole area here, in the Myoken
Myoken,
area,
uh-huh.
the carbonated irony hot spring
Uh-huh.
is the main feature though.
Oh.
But the way you use it and the way you exploit it
Uh-huh.
will differ
Yep.
depending on the ryokans.
I
And
see.
here we try to keep it as natural as possible,
Uh-huh.
and you'll see it in your next room.
Okay.
The fizz is actually visible on the naked eye.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. This was Rurimurasaki at Myoken Ishiharaso.